Hello everyone, life is busy as usual, so sometimes we just want fast dinner. I have one recipe for you. Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. Thank you. So first, I blanch in my vegetables. And the vegetables today is sweet potato rice. Actually, the shoot that I grow in our garden. This time of the year, the rain is good and the shoot very tender, and I love to pluck them up and put in the water, heat water boiling, and then some salt and drop in, and that's it. 3-4 minutes to be tender. Now on my skillet, I heat it and add oil, or I like to use chicken fat rendered, and I crush some garlic and I rub my T-bone steak in. I season salt and pepper both sides, and I let it go for 3 minutes per side. Make sure I go around so that the fat is rendered out. I like to be rare in the middle, so just that minute that I need. And then I drop in my soy sauce mixture and pork stock to make a pan sauce. And that's it. Dinner is ready. Being an Asian, I like to eat them with rice, cooked rice. That I just wash the rice and let it cook for 20 minutes in the rice cooker. You just put in and walk away. 20 minutes later, you come back and get the rice. If you don't want to eat rice, you can boil some potato or eat this with bread. And bread is usually available. Now I have rice on the plate. I plate my steak now. You can see it's brown nicely both sides. And I scoop up all the bland sauce. I will use that sauce to dip my Blanch sweet potato và shoots, or drizzle the pan sauce over the rice. I think I change the position. Now this is the Blanch vegetables. At this season that raining outside often, all the shoots are tender. You can use, I like morning glory shoot also. So if you have that going on, or amaranth, something like that, it's very good. Or if you can buy cauliflower, broccoli, and blanch like I do. Very healthy and clean. You see, because I am eating steak, but very healthy. And you can see now I cut off my steak, and it's rare in the middle. That's the way I like it. You want it more cooked, you'll cook more on the skillet. And that's it. My dinner is ready. I like to invite you to taste it with me. Thank you for watching. I hope I inspire you to make this dish for yourself. And check on my other videos, helpful tips and tricks on how to get beautiful food or normal food, casual food, party food, everything. On the tips and tricks, gardening, cooking, baking, and everything in between. Bye bye.